Alright folks, this is a 2018 Chevy Silverado. Customer complaint here is a small little like metal grinding noise, like nails on a chalkboard, but when you step on the brakes they go away. So this got low mileage, got less than 40,000 miles on it. Okay, and these brake pads are only half worn. Okay, let's see if I can show you there. Can't show you there. This way maybe. You look at the brake pads, look. They're almost new, but they're half worn. Okay, right there. So the problem is here is that the noise, if you look closely, is the rust on the rotors. Okay, even though it's 4 years old, going on 5, and it's got 40,000 miles, look at all the rust over here. See it? So I'm going to show you the side that's making the noise, but pay attention over here. Okay, see that? See the rust? Nice, dirty, no shiny spots. Let's go towards the front. To the right side. So on the right side, same thing. Brake pads are pretty good, but watch where the noise is coming from. So I'm going to zoom in over here real closely. If you look at the rust, right on the edge over here, right on the edge, you're going to see a little shiny spots. Let's see if I can get it to shine for you. Okay, if you look carefully, you see it. See how shiny it is? See it? There's another shiny spot there. Look closely at that edge. That is starting to creep up into the brake pads. And that's the noise that you hear. That's a little screeching style nails on a chalkboard. Alright, you see it? Right there right on the edge. You see it when you shine the lights on it. Alright, so it's creeping up into the brake pads. That's where the noise is. And when you step on the brakes, it squeezes it so tight that it doesn't make the noise anymore. But yeah, look, all the rust is starting to accumulate up on top, all the way around. Alright, so even though the brake pads are good, it's time for rotors because of the noise. I mean, you can deal with the noise if you want to, drive it until it grinds down all the way down, but if it's really annoying to you, you got to change it out. Alright, that's it. Ciao, enjoy. So I took it apart. I'm going to show you another close-up view. Look at the brake pads. See how they're just touching the rotor? Just look at this lip right here. Okay? That's where your squeaking noise is. You see how it is? You can look at that gap there. The material, if you look this way, okay, look in a little hole there. It's actually touching the rust. Okay? That's why you got that little shiny spot there. That's where that noise is. But look at the brake pads. They look pretty good. Right? So we're changing it because of the age of the rotor. Okay? Not because of the brake pads are worn out. You can see the wear guides are still good. Okay? When that gets a little smaller, then that's when your brake pads are starting to wear out. But we're changing this because of the noise. Okay? That's it. Thanks again.